Hello guys, welcome to a new BTC update video. So we're going to take a quick look at how the markets are looking and how the charts are looking currently. On the daily chart, this is the current range we are trading in, and we pretty much broke down below the value, the point of control, range point of control tonight and today. During Asia, the dump started, and pretty nasty price action today, to be honest. Just zooming out for swings, looking to short up here makes sense. Take out liquidity up in the daily fair value gap up here. Untapped lows below liquidity. I would like to see a fake out of that for a major long trade down here towards potentially the range point of control. After that, of course, the current year lows looks good. Potentially to bid more spot and take a quick long trade that could be a swing trade for some days. Other than that, I think we're going to test this range point of control during the weekend, just because it was a pretty nasty move down today, and makes sense to me to retest that zone pretty soon. So anyways, focus on the range value high. We look for shorts up here, we look for longs down here, and we can scalp in the middle, but this is a key take profit either way. That's just how we look in the range. And from the range extremes, look for trading back into the range. We don't really expect the range to break out, we expect the range to hold, and that's how we trade the range. Low time frame, this is my low time frame chart. I had a setup sharing the group, it was pretty much a short. Took a limit on this during Asia and woke up to full take profit hit for a 4.5 hour realized. That's way above my average. My average is under half of that realized, so I'm extremely happy about that. So the first thing I did when I woke up was just, okay, no trading on main today. And we had the few long setups as well yesterday, but these got invalidated. Two reasons. First reason was that New York was closed and we didn't take the liquidity during New York. Second thing is that we went for the highs to liquidity first. The idea of the trades was to leave the liquidity at the highs behind and target the liquidity with the long trades. Take liquidity below first and vice versa. And we took liquidity from the highs, and then the pretty much lows became a target of the short. So no trigger on these, but if you want to count this as loss, fair enough. Still in profit after the short. Couldn't really care less. So today I've been scalping a little bit. Took a little bit of a long down here and some EMA scalping. I'm not going to cover that today. I'm going to cover that tomorrow. But still, I didn't really trade this major move down. I got this short, as I told you about. But if I would have traded this, I would have looked for a short already up here. If you missed this move, look for a short up here. Why? Just because we couldn't break after the local range. Local range here, ranging. Break into the upside, potentially fake out. Look for a short down up there. And we break down, as you can see. And then form a signal print. Look for another short up here or add to the position. And you can see here, equilibrium rejection, potentially add to the short or take another one. And then just pretty much take profit on the way down. And again, form the signal print. We also form a little signal print here, but that was so close to the key bottom in my opinion. Based on the bigger picture, then you're pretty much late to the party, and then it's better to just trail the stop loss and, in my opinion, cut the position slow but steady and look for longs to at least target the signal prints. That was my idea. So low time frame for longs, I'm watching this zone a little bit below. I have a setup shared in the group. I'm still valid and still watching this setup for a long trade, and I'm also watching to fill all these buying tails down here for a long trade. And for a short, I don't really have any setup close to the current market price. I want to fill the signal prints, and I think we're going to fill these two signal prints during the weekend. I may be wrong, but that's a thing. I think that's possible. And then I think the charts are looking a little bit more healthy and a little bit easier to read. For now, of course, I'm going to watch price action, but I don't have any blind area to short close to the current price. I've showed you my key areas in the higher time frame on the previous chart. Other than that, if you need a place to trade, check out all links in the description. Last day on OKX bonuses today. We also have BloFin, my favorite, and of course many more. LBANK with a ginormous campaign, also no KYC. If you want to join a group, link in the description, where I learn how to trade like me, and I share trade setups and learning zone every single day. And if you have any questions, I'm happy to help all of you in there. Other than that, happy weekend. See you in the new video tomorrow. Bye.